3.
Alright, this is a 2003 AMG SL55 Mercedes, 61,000 miles. We're doing a video walk around, tour of the vehicle. We'll start it up. We'll show you the top working. We'll show you the keyless go features. And you should have a pretty good idea of what it's like to be in the car by the time we're done with this video. The rims are gorgeous, all the badging's intact. Everything works on the car as it should. The vehicle's locked right now. We're going to walk up and we'll show you how this key card works right here. If you have this credit card on you, it functions as like a passport to the vehicle. If it's on you, when you walk up to the car automatically unlocks. When you go to the handle, when you're in the car, you don't need to put the key in the ignition. You just press the button on the shifter and the car starts right up. So I'll show you how that works right now. We're going to walk up to the car and you'll see that the car is locked right here. I walk up, I grab the handle, boom, it unlocks. We open up. There's the inside. We'll show you real fast here. There we are. All right. I'm in the vehicle. Now, the key normally goes to the right of the steering wheel. You insert this in, you can start the car that way, or if you have the credit card on you, you just put your foot on the brake and hit the start button, and the car starts right up. No warning lights come on. Chris, go to the back of the vehicle. We're gonna let you hear the exhaust note right now. We'll rev it up. Let's go to the engine. Alright, you can see the engine is very clean. There's no corrosion, there's no leaks. Everything's super tight, everything is as it should be. All factory stickers and decals are intact. The headliner for the hood is intact. There's no acid corrosion around the battery. All parts are original from the factory, that nothing's been replaced. You can see here's the supercharger, and above it, on the top, is the signature from the engineer from Mercedes who's handcrafted the engine. Now I'm going to rev up the motor so you can hear it. There's no funny sounds, no oddities. Everything sounds and functions as it should. I'll rev it up. Next, we'll lower the hood. We'll go to the side of the vehicle, and we'll show you how the convertible top works. Come on in here. This is the button for the convertible top. You flip it up. There's two more additional buttons underneath it. That is for the roll bar, and with the windscreen attached. We'll show you how that functions here shortly. Come back. All right. So, you're in the vehicle, your foot's on the brake, and you just push back on this lever. Once the button's raised, you see it's lit red. You get show the dash here. Oops. Let's see here. Let's see. You see it says in operation. It shows the vehicle right there. Okay, back up. There you go. Both windows go down automatically. Now here's the buttons I was referring to with the roll bar. You can put it down or up. You control. For the top, have it go up, back up, Chris. You just push this lever forward. Once, we went back to have it go down, push the button down and then hold it down. Again, you get a message on the gauge cluster saying, hey, it's in operation. All the windows go up. And we're good. One more time, I'm gonna show the top going down. Chris, if you back up. And now we're going to go for a quick spin. Come on in, Chris. Alright. Put the gear in drive. You can shift manually by moving the shifter to the left or to the right. On the brakes, you can hear nothing squeaks. Everything drives smooth. We're just waiting to get on the main highway right now. Turn the stereo up. Looks like traffic's a little rough. We got a few fender benders here, but that's all right. It won't be us. Acceleration is very quick. It's very smooth. Turn the radio down. All right. Air conditioning is very cold. You can press the knobs in, push them, they come out, and you can control what region you want the air to divert to. You have your temperature setting here from cold to the left, warm to the right, fan setting here. It's very cool, everything works. The exhaust has a really nice rumble to it, but it's not obnoxious, it's not droning. There's no irritating whine from the supercharger. Everything really functions as it should. The alignment's very good. There's a slight drift to the right, which is normal. Right now we're cruising at about 45 miles an hour, just under 1,500 RPMs. If I floor it and drive, you can see the rapid acceleration. Right there, we just got to about 70 miles an hour. Now we're in drive. If we go down to the shifter here, I can go to the left. Now we're in fourth gear. Now we're in third. Now we're in second gear at 40 miles an hour. Now if you look to the front of the traffic and you punch it. All right. Everything on the vehicle is very smooth. Look at the steering wheel. If I let go, everything's straight. A natural drift to the right, but you can steer the vehicle with your pinky. It's very easy to control. It's very agile, very nimble vehicle. It's really a pleasure to drive. The SL55s are hands down my favorite daily drivers. They're much more practical. SL55s. They're much peppier than the SL500s, and maintenance-wise, they're just as easy to own and maintain as an SL500. They're a lot nicer than some of the other handmade and hand-built exotics like Ferraris and whatnot, which just are constantly in and out of the shop. I love this car. We're just cruising through a residential neighborhood right now. I'll get to the stop sign. I'll put the top back up. You can hear if there's any. It's very quiet in the cab. All right, we'll put it in park. And with the press of the button, after just a few short seconds, the top is up and secure. What's really nice is you can do this in a stoplight. And there we go. All right. So we're driving, it's very quiet, it's very smooth. We're at 20 miles an hour right now. The car is just a blast to drive. Super quiet, super smooth. Very responsive steering. No funny sounds. Everything is just very tight. Phone calls. Hold off until we get back. And that's it. This is the car. It's certainly the one worth holding out for. You know, I've owned a few of these. This one is as nice as any for the mileage. I'm very impressed with the condition. It's hands down nicer than any I've seen with comparable mileage. It's very well maintained. It's owned by a gentleman who owned a pharmaceutical company, and he actually sold this to buy a brand new 2011 Porsche 911 Turbo. And to me, that's the kind of owner you want to have owned and maintained a vehicle previously to you taking possession of it. A business owner, someone from a higher status that had the money to purchase the vehicle and maintain it and take good care of it. Being that it's a California car, there's no rust, there's no corrosion. It's really just gorgeous. And that's it. That's the vehicle.